ChatGPT too many concurrent requests. If you're getting the error too many concurrent requests on ChatGPT within a certain chat, there could be various reasons. The first is that you might be trying to give ChatGPT too many prompts at once. So what you can try to do is you can simply try to go to the top left corner and begin a new chat and make sure to start from the fresh. If you have some of the old chats, you can try to delete those chats. If you're using ChatGPT from a browser, there could be an issue with your cache files. Click on the three dots icon next to your browser from the top right, then simply navigate towards Settings. Then from Settings on the left hand side, go to Privacy and Security, delete browsing data, select cached images and files by going to Advanced and click on the Delete Data option. If that doesn't help you, too many people are logging in to your ChatGPT account, so you might want to try to sign everybody out from your account. Click the profile icon from the top right and simply go to Settings. Here you can see various options. Just go to Security and select Log out of all devices and click on the Log out all button. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then fix that issue. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.